Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes. Today we're looking at a Honda Cub 90 from 1984. It's basically a running project. We've gone as far as we're going to go with it. It's running, stopping, riding, lights, indicators, all that. But it probably just needs a bit of a tart up, as you'll see from the condition wise. We put on the new tires front and rear, so tires are good all the way through. So you can go through. Leg shields are in good condition as well. Engine has obviously some signs of just aging. Paint is flaking here, a little bit of a crack in this side panel, but everything is present here. We're missing a foot peg at the rear. As you can see, just this is the overall condition of the bike. Underneath this cover, the seat is probably a goner, need to be recovered. Under here we have the underneath here, but it's not rotten, as you can see as well. It's got some surface rusting, but nothing too crazy. Again, a little project for someone out there, and that people will love them. But it is the spec that I know most Irish people here really enjoy, which is a dual seat kickstart 3-speed Cub 90. So it has good things going for it. Through here, as you can see, like I said, it is what it is. I believe that's an original Honda key. Yes, it is. So that's nice to have. Everything up here as well. Again, a little project for someone, a running and riding one, which is nice to see, that someone will love. So let's go out for a spin on it. Oh, actually, the last thing is the brand new rear tire as well. Sorry. So the rear tire has been done brand new also. So ideal for someone out there looking to get something for a little project and get her up and tarted. Okay, we're on to the 1984 Honda C90 Cub. This is a little project one. This is dead cold now. Pretty good going, eh? So, we'll go for a little spin. Dials are in miles. And I was actually out on this in the past because we were testing it, getting it running and everything like that. And this is a really nice running bike. Engine is nice and strong. Everything feels pretty good on it. All the lights work nicely. I mean, so as far as the project goes, I think this is like ideal. This is the ideal starting point. I mean, it does, like, we say project because everyone thinks that and goes, everything needs to be mint. You could use this bike every day, not an issue. I just avoid this guy pulling out on us. Again, sorry guys if there is a bit of moisture on the lens. Sometimes I think some of these nighttime, dawn, dusky kind of GoPro videos are actually better. They look better, look cooler. You can see a lot more of the lights and all that of the bike. But yeah, I mean, as far as a project being sold on a bike, I mean, this is pretty ideal. Or you could just have something for the Honda, the C50 runs, the Super Cub runs, to go down and bash around. Absolutely perfect, you know. So horn working there nicely. Hopefully it didn't startle the driver in front of me. It's quite busy around here for some reason at the minute. Everyone coming in and out today. I suppose I'm usually filming on a Saturday. It's quite ironic. I was like, oh, the weather looks good today, so I'll go out and film. So, and I've been met with this. Now, the only thing is, I think I wanted today because it's a lot warmer. It's about 13-14 degrees. So when you're out filming on bikes for a couple of hours, that temperature really does make a difference. You know, when you're out here. When you're out here for a couple hours and 3 or 4 degrees, it's quite jarring. It's really
quite difficult, and you get very, very cold. So this weather is actually much better than the aforementioned. Gonna turn in left here. See your indicators on there. I think that's a slides into neutral nicely. And we have the indicators are working, as you can see there. They're just not flashing at the minute. I think that's just probably a connection thing here, something, nothing too major. You can see them trying to flash there. Anyway, so you have your headlight here as well, which is working. All the other little things, horn, everything like that. You can high beam and then off completely, parking, high. So all that working. You have your rear light and your brake light is working. So everything is really quite tidy on the bike, considering what we're describing it as. Probably being overly harsh on it, but if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our social medias are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.